Welcome to the recruitment process worksheet tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you the main features of the 5.0 spreadsheets, and I'm going to show you how to use this one in the best way possible. So if you want to start to use a spreadsheet, the best way is to configure our 5.0 functionalities, which are the language. You can choose any language here, but as a default, we set the English language here. You can change the currency. We have dollar, euro, pounds, and other options. We let the dollar as a default. And you can also change the menu colors and fonts. You can swap the logo with just one click in every sheet of this spreadsheet, and you can add or delete sheets here. So this will make much easier for you to use the spreadsheet. Once you have done that, you can go to step 1, which is the registration of candidates and all their informations, and the registration of the steps, which are the phases of your recruitment process. You can use resume analysis, practical tests, group dynamics, first interview, management interview, and the final interview and approve the candidate. These two final steps here, they are mandatory, so you cannot change them because every recruitment process will have to approve at least one candidate. If you don't, at least it didn't go as well as you planned. So once you have done that, you can go to step 2, which is to register the recruitment process themselves. And here you're going to put the name of the recruitment process. Every time you can put it as an office you're recruiting or a name of the job you're opening. And once you have done that, you can put the planned cost, the real cost. You see the difference. You can put a date in every step of the way. So here we have the start date, and for every step you see how long is taking from one step to the other. And every time you fill this in, you have the reports and dashboards being automatically organized for you. So this is a very good form for you to understand your main indicators of your recruitment process. And before the reports and dashboard analysis, you can register how many candidates and in which steps they are in every process you have for every month of your year. So once you finish it, filling this in, you can see your reports, which are the number of processes you have month to month in the year, the number of candidates in your recruitment process, how many of them got to the final interview, how many of them got approved, the percentages, and you can see some charts here that will help you to understand it in a more visual way. You have the time report, which shows you how many days you have from one step to the other of your process, and you have the costs report, which will show you how many you plan to spend in every process for every month and how many they cost you for real. And to finish, we'll have an analysis dashboard, which will show you for any given recruitment process how many days it took, the start date, the end date, the planned cost, the real cost. You see some charts here, and you can see if everything is working properly. Once you have done that, you can compare two candidates. So you see for a given candidate the time in years in his last job, the assessment you made, the reference, if they were positive or not. You can see these in charts, so will allow you to compare if you have to make a decision. So this is our recruitment process worksheet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any doubts, just let us know.